Hello violin players, welcome to Pro-Am Strings. I'm Henriette and this is lesson 45 in the All for Strings course, and in this lesson today we will be learning exercise 116 on page 33 in your book, and I'm hoping that by the end of the lesson you'll feel confident playing the G major scale with the correct bowing. So let's dive straight in. You know all the notes, and what I'd like you to focus on in this first playing is to use the whole bow on every half note and to use the half bow on every quarter note. We're going slowly as always. Let's check your violin hold and let's check your bow hold. I'll count us in for 2 before we start, and let's have the bow on the G string before I even start counting. 1, 2. Wonderful, and I hope that you will have found this reasonably straightforward. What are the focus points in this song? The first one is that you play with a straight bow, and playing with a straight bow I mean pointing your bow arm forwards. We've said so many times we always think that bowing goes this way, doesn't it? But actually it goes forward, straight in front of you, and that is what you can practice every single long down bow stroke. So whenever you have a long down bow, and I'll point this out to you when that happens when we play the song next, but you want to really push that bow arm forwards. I'll count us in for 2 again. Let's get ready on the G string. 1, 2. Here we go. Straight bow. Half bow now. Focus on your straight bow on this next playing. That's it. Straight bow right here. Push your bow arm forwards. Push it forwards right here. So that will make you aware of how you can stretch that bow arm forwards, and you might want to practice this a few more times to become totally familiar with it. What is my next focus point in this song here? You are already aware that we have started on the G string, and when you started on the G string your elbow level here was high. Then when we get to bar 5 we go to the D string, so your elbow level needs to come down a little bit. It is this transition between when you play on the G string and your elbow is high and when you go to the D string your elbow is lower that you want to focus particularly on that elbow and make sure that it comes down. If you don't go down to the D string like that with your wrist, but that you involve your whole right arm, you see? Now the opposite is also true. Somewhere along the second line we're going to go from the D string back to the G string. So make sure that you don't go any old way towards the G string there, but that you bring your whole upper arm up, so your elbow is up there, all the while leaving your right shoulder down. And I'm sure that the vast majority of people won't be able to do both the straight bowing and the elbow levels in the same playing, so that's why we're splitting the issues. And now this next and our final playing we're going to focus on the right elbow. I'll count us in for 2 again, so let's get ready on the G string. 1, 2. Drop your right elbow. Now raise your right elbow. And now you have played this G major scale with the correct techniques. So that is wonderful news, and you're improving your techniques of your playing all the time. So if you find that these videos are helpful, why not subscribe to the channel and hit that bell button, and you get notified whenever a new video is released, and you can get even better at playing the violin. So I very much look forward to seeing you again soon. Thanks for watching and goodbye.